You might have been hearing about crypto, DeFi, NFT, and how these things are changing the world, especially in this new year. My name is Chris Annie, and welcome to this exclusive interview with someone who has just launched something that is of importance to the DeFi and even the cryptocurrency markets. Before I introduce this person, this is my first interview for the year. It's my first exclusive interview live here on DABA TV. And we'll be touching things concerning DeFi and some of the aggregators, tools, and the future of this innovation. Before we continue, let's go on this short break.
The world is changing. It is becoming more digital, and so is the future of our money. At Crypto Life Capital, we are helping you grow wealth by investing in digital currencies because we believe that digital currencies break down barriers and change the world economy. We have a team of experienced traders who are dedicated to helping your investment grow. We make investment easy and stress-free for you. Crypto Life Capital is Africa's first crypto asset portfolio investment and management platform committed to helping investors, individuals and institutions gain passive income and build long-term wealth through the crypto market. We provide exposure to price movements of a diversified mix of crypto assets, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and large and small cap innovative digital projects. Do you want to build wealth in crypto? Then invest in Crypto Life Capital today. It's time to go Crypto Life.
Welcome back. I am right here with the founder and CEO of Cake Tools Incorporated. I won't do so much introduction here because in this interview, we are going to hear and learn about Cake Tools, what it has come to do, and a whole lot more. I have there with me KingDave. Dave, how you doing?
I'm fine. Thank you so much for having me.
All right, good to have you today on DABA Studios.
Thank you so much.
Last year, Cake Tools did an exclusive IDO that was adjudged to be one of the fastest in Africa.
Yes.
And then that was sold out.
But
over time, it looks like a lot of people still don't know what this Cake Tools is all about and how they can leverage them. Before I go into asking you what is Cake Tools, can you give me a brief history about your journey and who is KingDave?
Okay, so my name is David. So I came into crypto basically full time after one of your mastery class with Binance. I think that was
2020 or so.
19 or
19,
19. So that was so that was when I came fully into crypto. But before then, I've known Bitcoin for quite a long time, but not too serious. Just buy, hold. then during the days
so you've been a Bitcoin holder for long.
Yes. Okay. Even during the days of Liberty Reserve, so I had some then. Okay. Then, but I actually sold it out. Then again, I came back as well around 2016 during the boom of MLM and all those. So, but fully into crypto was after your master class in Binance. You had with Binance.
Yes.
I remember sending you a message on Twitter. Then you replied. So that was how.
So how has the journey been since then?
Wow, I will tell you seriously, it's been the best thing that has ever happened to me.
Interesting.
Yes, because I remember coming out from the university there. I actually schooled abroad. So what am I going home to do? Do you understand? So the thoughts and everything, okay, there is nothing to do and all that. But crypto actually gave me a lot of opportunity. Like, you are financially free on your own. Because I remember when I said P2P trading, so like you could just stay on your own and you've made 50,000 naira. Like, but I remember my first profit in when I did it then, it was 2018. I bought Bitcoin for someone and I made was like 12,000 naira. I was so happy that I was so happy. Yeah. So from there, and then from the local Bitcoin, I opened an account. I started making trades, and boy, I said, man, this one, there's no business like this. So, like crypto actually changed everything, you know. So
Great.
then that was how I started. Before I now came into, I now came across with you. Then I started trading altcoins and all that. Like, there's no point. This is it. It's just crypto, nothing else.
Okay.
Yeah.
Good. And you launched Cake Tools last year. What is Cake Tools all about, and what was your motivation for launching Cake Tools?
Okay, so Cake Tools is a BSC, Binance Smart Chain DeFi chatting hub. Okay, so what the vision of building a tool like that was we sat down when we trade, like we when the peak of Binance Smart Chain, DeFi and all that, from Uniswap then back to PancakeSwap. There were so many rocks. You buy a coin now, and in the next few minutes you've lost everything, you know. So from there, it was painful to me that most of the times two-thirds of the smart contract I interact with are all scams. So and we thought out there should be tools that's an investor or a trader can leverage and be able to know that this this contract is good and this contract is not good. So that was the vision. That was how Cake Tools came into existence, you know. So we started, okay, we can build a tool where you can be able to know this information, because
About each coin.
because trading on a DEX, it's not like trading on a centralized exchange.
Decentralized exchange.
Yes. So you don't actually know what is happening in there. You understand? So there is no information. The only thing you know is that you are just swapping, and that's all. So we thought that, okay, Cake Tools, we can get a tool that can tell you actually, okay, this is the liquidity in this pool. This is how many trades that have been done. These are the holders, without going to
doing big research.
Yes, big research. So at a glance, you could see what is happening on that particular token on that DEX. So that was how Cake Tools came to be.
Okay. And so so Cake Tools is a chatting hub.
Yes.
You can use it especially for Binance Smart Chain coins.
Yes.
And explore their ecosystem, explore the information about what's on that platform.
Exactly.
Okay, so it's been an interesting time going through the whole launch, where I also sit as an advisory member of the board of Cake Tools. And so what are we expecting in 2022 concerning Cake Tools? What are the things to look forward to? And I know that everyone in crypto should be using Cake Tools, because it's a platform where you can use to chat, just like what the likes of the DEX tools, the PoolCoin, and Co. they do. Cake Tools can also do the same. So that tool, what is the need for having the coin with the application, the web app?
Okay, so the Cake Tools token is called CKT. It is the governance, or let me say the governance token, or the native token of the platform.
Okay.
Okay, so this particular token, since you know, the Cake Tools is a BSC DeFi hub. It's a hub in the sense that we have a launch pad. We also have the chatting tools aspect of the app. Yeah, and also there is development on the NFTs, the game as well. So it's the CKT is actually the native token which you can use to interact between all these platforms. The Cake Tools ecosystem. Okay, so holding it gives you access to the launchpad. It gives you access to the chatting hub. It gives you access to the aggregated DEX, which we are working on. It gives you access to entirely everything on the platform.
Good.
So these holding Cake Tools is an advantage. It's just an opener
You just
to
mentioned
access this
you
ecosystem.
mentioned something now, because what I only know of so far has been the chatting hub. So what you're saying now is that there are other products coming out from the Cake Tools company.
Yes.
So let us know in 2022, what's the plan for this product? What are the next product coming on board?
Okay. The next product we are releasing is the Cake Pad. Cake Pad is a launch pad. It is a multi-chain it's a multi-chain pad. Okay, in the sense that we incubate projects, or project can raise funds, okay, through using Cake Pad, and it giving advantage to also CKT holders. Okay, then the essence of Launchpad is to guarantee investors that these projects have invested, they have been KYC'd, and they are not going to be rug pulled. The investors are safe investing in this project.
Okay.
So this currently in this quarter, by February, the Cake Tools Cake Pad, that's the launch pad, will be ready to use. And probably there are products that will also be raising funds from. Yeah, coming on board. Yes.
Interesting. And we've seen a lot of price action happen with Cake Tools. And personally for me, I've seen a different opinion. But as somebody who is an advisory board member in the team, and as somebody who has been an early investor in Cake Tools, I think with what is being built on board, I think this platform it will mark a new dawn in terms of incubating projects. You mentioned with me yesterday when we were discussing about a swap that is also coming on board, and even the NFT marketplace. Well, this purpose of this interview is actually to just share what Cake Tools is, so that people will know what's the plan on board, what motivated this, and a lot of us in crypto are majorly concerned with what we buy and sell, and we are not so concerned with the tools we use in the industry. For instance, now I've talked about things like Sushi Swap, AAV, and all that. And I believe that in 2022, one of the things we should learn to do is to start using these platforms. Okay, CR Coin, for instance, is into storage, Filecoin, different platforms like that. So, Dave, what's the future of the DeFi industry in your own depth? What do you think the DeFi industry will be like in the next 5-10 years?
Actually, the DeFi, the decentralized finance, it's revolutionary, and I think that's the future of finance, because I think basically everybody wants to have autonomy on its own money. The time of the government telling us this is what you have to do with your money, it's actually past gone. And also DeFi, it's, for me, I think is the future, and we have to leverage this opportunity. Okay, so in having tools, in having projects like Cake Tools, which gives investors and traders, daily traders, like an added advantage in utilizing this young innovation. Okay, so basically for me, that's just the game changer. Yes, of DeFi.
We are bullish on DeFi. As of 2017, there was $0 value locked in DeFi. As it stands today, there are over $100 billion locked in DeFi. The future is here. Well, we've come to the end of this exclusive interview with KingDave, the CEO of Cake Tools. And as someone who has been part of this community from day one, I like to say this, that in 2022, we have big stuffs coming on board for Cake Tools, and it will wow everybody. In short, even though this is not a financial advice, if there's a top coin you should be holding, like I am holding in 2022, Cake Tools is one of them. And I hope that by this time, in the next 6 months, we'll come back to this interview, 12-month time, and look and say, oh, I took this advice, or I took this entertainment information from Chris Annie, if you know what I mean there. Well, till I come your way next time, okay? Dave, I know Cake Tools has over 12,000 addresses. If somebody wants to get Cake Tools today, where can Cake Tools be gotten from?
Okay, so currently Cake Tools is being traded on PancakeSwap and Bitmart.
Okay.
And we're also working on bringing up more centralized exchanges where you can trade.
Okay.
But currently you can buy from PancakeSwap and you can also buy from Bitmart. Yes.
Interesting. And so we're expecting more exchange listings.
Yes, of course. And we're also expecting there will be like a trading competition, staking coming up on Bitmart. So in the next few weeks. So we are working with them already. So they are setting up. There's going to be a trading competition. You can stake your tokens on Bitmart and earn rewards as well. So these are the things coming up on Bitmart.
Do you have any other parting words for our audience or viewers and those who are eagerly expecting a lot from Cake Tools at this time?
Okay, so Cake Tools is what I want to say is we should not be judged by the price, the action lead we are seeing now. So because what we are developing on the ecosystem, it's actually massive. So like I said earlier on, Cake Tools is a DeFi hub,
yes.
not just a chatting tool.
Yes.
So it encompasses many aspects of DeFi.
Yes.
So I have no doubt that the results when we are done expanding on this, building on this ecosystem, the result is actually going to speak more.
Interesting.
Yeah.
All right, guys, I'm sure you guys have heard and you've actually let me know in the comment section what you think. And please, for the sake of scammers, there are questions you shouldn't be asking in the comment section because some scammers will now come and say, okay, use my link and all that. Please be wise and know the best thing to do to protect yourself from on the internet and from this set of fraudsters also. Till I come your way next time, keep on succeeding. Do your best to learn about crypto, DeFi. If you've not gotten or learned about it, you want to start a course in crypto, okay, just go straight to www.daba.school, get the Trade and Make Money course, and it gives you access to our community on WhatsApp, okay? Till I come your way next time, do have a lovely day and week ahead. God bless you.